西蛋黄桃。
蛋黄果 egg yolk. Guys, ever wonder where egg
营
yolks
养
are?
丰富，汁少，香甜。
Ever wonder where egg yolks are
蛋
from?
黄
It grows on trees. egg yolks are growing on trees. Now you know. Now you know. Oh my god, this place smells so nice. There's something new every day, yup. Hey, Pack. 啊，
这是都是蛋黄桃。我那里有个大桃子，我看那个，看那个大桃子。
在哪儿啊？
我给你找个。
那就刚才你看了
哪个大了呀？哦，那有一个大的哦。There's a big fruit over there.
看不见了。从哪里？
My mom was walking in, and then everybody's like, someone was like, "Don't go over there. There's a fruit, a peach." Smells like green tea. Okay, wait.
你吃吧。
混哪儿的长的？
We're adopting.
啊，
谢谢。Wow.
有3次的。
Okay.
你看这个香瓜，这瓜，
Good morning, 44.
这个是一个香瓜。
Oh, look at that. What fruit is that? It's a big one. There's another one there.
咱是怎么转？
哇，这个是啥 ？Orange. I don't think that's orange. 这是什么这么大？这里面闻的好像是绿茶的味道，
这种
是不是
各种果实
很香？
这种
几岁了，宝宝？
5岁啦。
到不了，是吧？到不了，虚岁5岁。
What awesome place am I showing you? This is the veg. This is the place that grows the vegetables and supplies almost half of China.
荷兰
But your child, that's my secret child, guys.
这可叫什么名字？
Oh, oranges, tangerine,
荷兰这有种果吗？哦，这是芒果。
Dutch pearl fruit.
芒果，
Oh, there's a mango tree.
芒果是长在树上的还是长在地里的？
长在树上的呀。There's a mango tree, guys.
这就是芒果树啊。
上面还没有芒果。I can't see any mango.
还有苹果，没有。
No mango. This place kicks ass. Oh, look! There, you can race cars in here. What? I wanna. What? You can. There's even a gas station. I think when this place is open to, everything is grown inside of the greenhouse. Yeah. And then in April, this place is open. Like all of the exhibition halls are open. Right now there's only 2 exhibition halls that are open. In April there will be 12 exhibition halls, and then you can see all the veggies and fruits growing in these exhibition halls.
太秧了。
They're
这么小的开始
这是黄瓜吗？ What are these? Some sort of.
西瓜似的。
Are these watermelons? I don't know.
你看这种有可能是小西瓜。
You have mango tree? Oh, it could be pumpkin. Yeah.
西瓜长出来就是。
Look, these ones, they all have these ropes so they can climb all the way up to the ceiling. And then on that.
浇水的管子，就是四通八达的。
嗯。哦，这里也有果子。Oh, look at that. Fruits over here. 这是柚子吧？
嗯。
看着像是柚子。
没写吗？写了啦，看没看了？
这上面是什么 ？What are these fruits?
新会橘，柑橘。
Oh, some sort of orange. 新会 orange.
这是柚子，你看看，真的。
These are oranges.
这个。
啊？
那底下那个应该是柚子。
Whoa! Look at that! Whoa! Melons! Whoa!
好吧，配好了，真配好了。
That's so cool. This is so cool. 这也太帅了。
看这吧，你让他干过去以后再回来。
So how they keep everything easy to pick.
橘子。
嗯。
橙子这个叫。
Gigi, why so surprised?
对，这个
I don't.
罗岗甜橙。
Oh.
这个小人物。
Another type of little monster. Yeah, it's so big.
橙子是。
Hi. 你这帽子真好看。
啊？
你帽子真好看。
我妈妈给我买的。
你妈妈给你买的？好看。这是个小猫吗？
好的，是。
是个小猫。好看。
你太饿了。
太热了，这里面挺热的。
热了就摘下来吧，出去再戴上。呀，对呀，这还有红的，这小甜橘。
哦。Orange trees. Oh, I wish I could pick one. Look at that.
真甜的甜红的。
Banana trees. Yo, banana trees, banana. The banana tree. Banana tree look like this, guys. Oh my goodness. Wow, banana. 哪里还有？在哪？哎呀 ，banana. More.
还有恐怖地方呢。
哇 ！Beware, banana trees are full of spiders.
知道这香蕉是从这种树上长的了。
哇！
像芭蕉叶。
这个叶子好大呀 ！Look at these leaves. These are humongous. Damn. Look at these. Whoa! 这些小朋友跟着我们玩了。Wow, yo, look how big this is. This is the size of my hand. Look at this leaf. Thank you for the follow. Thank you so much.
它为什么从这突然长出这么一串来？长着。
它就是
这果实啊哈。哇！正是它刚开始长的时候。
Leaves can be smoked.
还没长大。
啊。
你看，这从中间长出这么一串来，就是。
哇！ How do you call tangerines in Chinese? We call them mandarin. Maybe they're from China or something. We call them 橘子. All of those in, huh? 这里面还有吗？这什么花？这个花是不是闻到？是不是这个花的香味？
对，这个花好香啊。
Smells so good.
蜜
蜜柚，柚子，
柚子，
那哪儿呢？哇 ，Look at that banana，banana，在哪呢？在哪呢？
那一个大的，
在哪呢？
那里，
没看见。
恐龙，恐龙，
哦，我看到一个，我看到一个，
那里还有一个，
哪里还有一个？
不是，
哦哟，哇，Look at，yo，Look at that。Oh my God! There's another one.
恐龙，恐龙，
恐龙，
恐龙没到这个，没到这个地方，在那个地方。
在哪个地方？哦，在那里。He's talking about dinosaurs, dinosaur.
对呀。
啊，看到了啊。
我刚才好像你看那个青柚，这是黄的。
这好几个。
哇 I want to touch it. I can't touch it.
你看看，
这个柚子好香。哇 Guys, look at the bums.
我吃过。
咦 Look. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
你上这儿去，手上转那里看那个，不是，
香蕉吗？
我知道。
时间很紧张的。
你坐这里。
在坐那里看什么？
你看，你坐下往那一看，
哦，香蕉。So many bananas.
都把它。
These banana leaves are big AF. But look at these bombs. Oh my God.
两头熊，棕熊，黄熊。对呀。
破壳而出。哦，那个恐龙。尾巴短了，它是不是短尾的？木瓜，木瓜。哦，木瓜，木瓜英语怎么说来着？Papaya，papaya。
树大说爱。
Look at papaya.
那底下有吗？哈木瓜。Papaya is belong to papaya family.
Oh, look at the 柚子。
哎呀，真是好几个了，应该。
这柚子真大。Fig， 无花果。
出口了，一会儿从那里，咱从那转一下，
Actually looks like pumpkin.
从那转一下，咱出去了。
这还有哪？ This is so cool. I want more. 这是什么？哦，这是不是金